Hello, my name is Dr. Okenwa Okoli. I've been instructing our industrial engineering senior design program since the year 2000. This course gives students an opportunity to showcase the knowledge they gained and the skills they've developed in their tenure here as industrial engineering students. During the senior design course, students must draw upon training from all previous courses to complete their assigned project and deliver products and services that meet the client's requirements. Each team must focus on identifying factors which are critical to quality as determined by the clients through the course of the project and update deliverables as necessary. The main goal of the course is to immerse students in an industry-based project stemming from real problems our project sponsors are facing. This is a more challenging course than many courses with the same number of credit hours, and you will need to work more hours per credit to make mission. This course is also a valuable opportunity to master a professional challenge in a fairly low-risk situation with many advisors ready to guide you to success. Graduates from this program are well prepared to join the leagues of professional industrial engineers. The projects in the course are sponsored by corporations and institutions in a variety of industries. Our past projects have included work in defense, education, food, healthcare, manufacturing, transportation, and more. Case in point, we've worked with the 3 local hospitals from Thomasville to Tallahassee. We've worked with Orbital ATK launch systems. We've worked with Boeing. We've worked with Northrop Grumman. We've worked with all sorts of companies in delivering what they need, including Caterpillar as well. Sponsoring organizations submit project proposals based on needs in their institution. The projects solve real problems and provide useful solutions for the organizations. The projects are different every year, though some may extend the solutions found in previous years should a sponsor be interested in additional work. This means you, our students, are not working out a solution to a textbook problem, but every year is unique. Our industry sponsors not only financially support the projects, they also provide valuable insight and guidance throughout the project. Project sponsors and guest speakers provide students an opportunity to network with professionals in a variety of industries. Several of our recent graduates are now working for companies who sponsored senior design projects. I mentioned earlier examples of projects. We've also worked with BASF. I talked about TMH. We worked on the Cancer Center and patients and post-op operation care flow. And we've done all sorts of good things. In this project course, we use the DMAIC framework of Six Sigma, where projects are broken into 5 phases: define, measure, analyze, improve, implement, and control. Six Sigma methodology focuses on reducing variation, but the framework can also be applied to otherwise improve or even develop a process or product. In a project, you must define what you're trying to do. I mean, case in point, if you're dealing with a customer, you've got to really figure out what the customer needs from that project. The measure is to understand the current baseline to prove there's a need for a solution. Then we analyze the current status to determine underlying issues that need to be addressed. The improve phase deals with the process or product that is to figure out how to address those issues, and the control, the improvement to verify the solution solves the issue that does not develop any problems over time. More details on each phase and the Six Sigma tools are provided during the in-person course lectures. Expectations for progress in each phase is detailed in a report outline available on the course Blackboard site, including guiding questions that you should aim to answer. There are also many sources available to you online, including video tutorials on project management and Six Sigma through FSU's Lynda subscription. You're expected to make use of these sources while working on your project. If you are unable to clarify a key concept after your own research, do ask a teaching assistant for more details. Each project is assigned to a team of students. Teams are assigned semi-randomly at the beginning of the semester. If a certain project requires a high level of programming experience or similar skills, special consideration will be made when assigning the teams. Students are expected to exhibit excellent teamwork skills, professionalism, and independence of thought. You, the students, are developing unique solutions. It is your creativity that solves your sponsor's problem. During each phase of the project, the team selects a member to serve as a project leader to guide the team to meet their goals. This position must rotate between team members so that each student has an opportunity to serve as project lead and develop the organizational and management skills. In addition to coordinating team meetings and other tasks assigned to the team lead, in the team contact, a major responsibility of the team lead is to keep the team on track to complete their project. Time management is crucial to effectively determine and implement a solution. Consistent meetings with the team, core staff, and sponsors are necessary to successfully meet mission. Students are graded on their ability to develop solutions for their clients and expected to take ownership of their project and propose solutions. A full breakdown of grades can be found in the course syllabus. The final grade is determined by detail and clarity in reports, oral presentations, and poster presentations, as well as observed professionalism and teamwork. It is important to note that there is no known accepted solution for the problem you solve during this course. You, with input from your sponsor and guidance from the core staff, determine your project scope. You decide what deliverables are necessary to meet the sponsor's expectations. You divvy up the tasks among the team members and create a schedule ensuring you can make mission by April. Your grades are a measure of your progress with respect to your defined project scope. Sponsors also affect final grades. A portion of the grade is reserved for how pleased the sponsor is with the student's work. Failing to make mission and complete a project is grounds for failure in the course. Part of making mission is convincing the sponsor that the solution is viable. This includes an economic justification for the solutions, as well as detailed description of the team's thought process throughout the project. In addition, students must demonstrate understanding of contemporary issues such as solution sustainability, sociopolitical implications, ethical implications, environmental impacts, and health and safety concerns. Reports and presentations are due during 5 gate reviews based on the make, where the teams report their findings and progress. There are 2 gate reviews in the fall semester and 3 gate reviews in the spring semester. In addition, teams must also submit a final report focusing on the implementation of their recommendations. This final report summarizes the technical aspects of the project and highlights why the suggested solution is the right one. This type of report is necessary to justify a project's existence and expenses necessary tasks for professional industrial engineers. Thank you for taking time to watch these videos we have provided to you. These videos are not meant to replace in-person lectures, but rather supplement the lectures with readily accessible information and some additional insight. We expect to revise the offered videos and materials over time to improve them for future users. Please do let me know if you have any ideas for improvement. Suggestions will be reviewed and incorporated when possible.